It's the third time this thing done this. Last time it did this, we had that earthquake here in California, down south. Kind of crazy. And it's starting to sprinkle. What the heck? We be getting sprinkles. Hey, look at there. Up on the roof now. Seems like I'm getting residual sprinklets here and there. My, how the weather's changed already. It was already saying it's going to have a little bit of sprinkles. I didn't believe them. Wow. It must be that right there that just went over. And these, that's where I'm getting these sprinkles right now. Let's see what's going on here. Yep, they're sprinkling the lens, darn it. Here comes another one. That was fully zoomed just to show that's how low they get. I'll zoom out. That is not what it looks like with my eyes. About looks like that with my eyes. A half zoom. There he is. Where'd he go? Right there. There he is. There's that Huey. All right. And I hear another one. Cannot see it. That almost sounds like a Coast Guard. All right, peace out. There it is. That is a Coast Guard. Well, that's kind of odd. A military, then a Coast Guard? Huh. Odd looking stuff.